guys, it's Tuesday morning. A nice hot 88 degrees Fahrenheit. And well, I always say it's going to look like rain, but to be honest, this has been a very dry, rainy season, actually. Way down from last year. Last year was like you could count on it raining at least 2 or 3 times every day. It would rain heavy and hard. Then it would stop for a while, but you knew it was coming again. But this year, not so much. Everything's a little bit dry. Just on our way going to the market. Pick up some groceries. That is how they build things here. They use branches to support the roof. Not very safe. But it's been going on for a while. So I guess it works. This is the little alley that we take to get to Highway 6. Somebody suggested they wanted to see a video on the local mall here, the cinema, and like a big supermarket. Now, I've touched on all those things in previous videos at one point. Lucky Mall. I don't think I've ever shown you the cinema proper, except the outside. I've done the supermarket before, but I've never done them all in one video. So when we go wandering around on that side of town next, I will do that. Give you a little tour. Later this week, we'll also be going to a little bit outside of town, Sakrilan. Gonna meet up with a friend. She just moved here a couple weeks ago. Just got herself an apartment over that way. So we can get her insight on how she's enjoying it so far. And this is Highway 6. The main road going through town. As you know, Snails got her own little cooking channel. The link's down below, of course, if you want to check it out and subscribe. I think she's already getting a little diva-ish. She's already talking about setting up another still camera to get wide shots instead of close-ups of her cooking. Then, of course, she'll want me to combine them and make one video. And I'm like, I don't even do that for my channel. I would have no idea how to even do any of that. Seems to be like you have to transfer quite a bit of video back and forth to get it all together to edit. Maybe not on a computer, but I don't use my computer. I use my phone, so I would need all them files from her phone into my phone, and then edit it together with the footage I take of the close-ups. And that's just not my thing. That's not my forte, as they say. Anybody who's seen any of my videos knows that editing is not my strong suit. I keep saying, you know, if I edit my videos a little more, they probably look better, and I get some cool effects going on in there. Overlay some quick shots with music. Then I think about how much time it would take to actually do all that, and I'm just like, nah. No. Now I still got other things to do. I still have to teach. I still have to do lesson plans. I still do a lot of writing. So that's out of the question. Stopping here at a little coffee shop. Or a coffee stand. There's the prices. Some kind of cinnamon stick. $1.50. Yeah. This is one of the few little places to stop on the way walking down Highway 6. I often say, you know, there's no shade on this road. It's all sidewalk and sun beating down on you wherever you're going. But this is cool to have a, you know, little umbrella here if you want to stop, get a coffee, take a little rest. It's all good. Over here they have other things you can buy. Yeah. Pretty nice. So like I said, we're going to go to the markets. Going to come back and make Single Eye another video. So if you see this one, hers should be up a few hours later. I can only do one at a time. And we'll try to take some of your suggestions, because she's only got 3 videos and we're still working out. I've never done any kind of filming on that topic, and I realize people want to see the food and they want to see her cooking. They don't want to, like my videos, I just talk and talk. So we're still working on it, but I appreciate all your comments and suggestions so far. We'll try to implement them, and hopefully in a few more of those videos we'll finally get a pattern. We'll finally find the formula that works for most people. Of course you can't please everybody, obviously, but we'll try some things and see how it works and go from there. If you want to know where to buy a moto when you're here, there you go. The ones in the back of this place, they have the little 50cc scooters. They're brand new and only $520. So if you're just looking for something to get you around, and of course you have your Cambodian driver's license and a helmet, Go in there and pick one up. We're now going to cross the highway. Always interesting. Find your spot and don't look back. Just go. And plus, even though this is all one way, as you can see, that is not always followed. If we're on that side, going that way, and we want to tuk-tuk coming back that way, it's not uncommon for them to just drive on the wrong side of the road the whole way until they get to the little alley we just walked down to take us back to our apartment. Street snails. Very popular here. You find little carts set up everywhere. The locals seem to really like them. I can't even figure out how to get one open. I think my buddy Gary said he had the same problem figuring out how to open it. Seems like a lot of effort for just a little tiny bit of meat. Okay, as you can tell, we're over here at Samaki. Got turned on to this market by Jeremy and Claire. When they were here, they stayed right across the street. It's a little bit cheaper than the other markets, and it's kind of hidden away. Even though it's on Highway 6, you could easily miss it if you didn't know where you were going. All right, so it's time to get her part of the channel going. Just wanted to let you know it's a nice day. Everything's going well. Check out all my links below, and hopefully I'll talk to you guys real soon. Alright, talk to you in the next one. Alright guys, before I end this, we're here in the market, and I've never seen these in Cambodia yet. They have all kinds of chili peppers, all kinds, ranging in different heats, but this is the first time I think I've ever seen jalapeno peppers. It kind of surprised me. It's something I recognize. Use them a lot, of course, when I used to cook back home. Just made some video for Snails channel, so picked up some pork, some beef, and a whole big bag full of different herbs and vegetables. Some more. And now it looks like we're after the fish. Yeah, I was just a little excited when I saw some peppers that I know about, because I have been fooled before. with the mild looking ones. Take a bite, mouth is on fire for a year. But with the jalapenos, I know what level of heat I'm getting. You can tell this is a really big market on this side. And like I said, it's one of those markets that you could easily miss. No other foreigners here. You're not going to hear people speaking English. And it keeps going on all the way over there. All the way down here, little tiny side aisles take you to different parts of the market. It is very busy, and even though it's inside, you still get motorbikes riding through at unsafe speeds, in my opinion. Hello. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Hello, bye-bye.
Hello, bye-bye.
I'm fine. You can ask him to me hello, gì bài rồi bạn. Gì bài.
Well, one thing, $1 for the fish. But one thing is that the people here are really, really friendly. All the vendors, and there's no there doesn't appear to be any price gouging, because with no foreigners, who is there to price gouge? Everybody else knows what they should pay and how much they want, right? So they're not going to be fooled. I, however, would be fooled. But there's none of that going on. They don't see me as oh, you're a foreigner, so I can charge you more, or anything like that. So far, I think, let me see, we got a big chunk of beef. Chunk is what I'm going to call it. Something I didn't have her cut it up or nothing. Just a big old chunk and I think that was the most expensive thing. Beef is the most expensive meat here. I think that was $8. The pork, got a bag of pork for $1.50. I think all these vegetables, all 4 bags of herbs and vegetables, I think that costs $6 or $7. So yeah, and this is going to last us a very, very long time. Ooh, look at that. All right. I showed you around a little bit. But I actually just wanted to show you those jalapenos. It's the small things that make me happy. And I will talk to you guys in the next one.